Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you for letting me presentate my thesis proposal. And let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Milad Putri, and I'm from English Literature 8, 2023. My English my title thesis proposal is an analysis of language style in Carry On 2000 movie. The background of the studies is the study focus on language style, a part of sociolinguistics, which explores how people use language based on social context, relationship, and situations. According to Jones, language style is divided into five types: frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate. This research will analyze the Carry On 2024 movie, where the researcher will observe how language styles are used in different situations. The movie was chosen not only for its story but also for its potential to reveal how language reflects social behavior and communication. The research question is: the researcher will find the answer to the question, what types of language style used in Carry On 2024 movie. The objective of the study is: in this research, the researcher will use movie as the object of the research, and the researcher choose Carry On 2024 movie as the specific object to analyze about language style in this research. Significance of the study: in theoretically, the researcher hopes this research can help the readers understand what types of language style are used in the Carry On 2004 movie. The researcher also hopes that this research can help other students in the English Literature Department study sociolinguistics, especially in language style. Practically, the researcher is expected to give some benefit to all students who are learning sociolinguistics, especially in language style. By applying the findings, the researcher hopes the students will have more understanding of language style, and the researcher also hopes that all students can improve their English and apply it in their daily lives. Scope and limitation of the study. This research focuses on identifying the types of language style used by characters in the movie Carry On 2024, based on Jones' 1967 theory: frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate styles. It examines how language style is influenced by the purpose, situation, and relationship between speakers. The study is limited to scripted dialogue and does not analyze body language, facial expression, or tone. Only selected scenes are analyzed, and no comparison with other films or real-life conversation are made. The definition of key terms: sociolinguistics is the study of language from a sociological aspect. Sociolinguistics identifies how people use language to interact in society. Language style is the way dialect or language change depending on different situation, position, and context. Character is someone in a fictional or literary work that is made up by the writer. It can appear as a human, animals, and others. It has an important role in a movie. We are moving to Chapter 2, Literature Review. First one is sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of how language and society are connected to each other. It involves the language that is usually used as interaction would be different depending on the context. There are many varieties that are possible to happen in the relationship between language and society. In fact, society might influence language in a wide variety of ways, which is why sociolinguistics is such a wide and varied field. Language variety is when people use language differently depending on who they are speaking to, what they are talking to, and where they are communicating. Next is language style. In sociolinguistics, the study of the relationship between language and society, language style is one aspect of language variation. The various ways that people use language based on the social context, goal, and relationship between speakers are referred to as language style. Jones 1967 defined 5 categories of language style: consultative, informal, intimate, frozen, and formal. There are several previous studies. The first one is Riris and Serena 2022 discuss the most dominant language used based on Martin Jones 1967 theory and what can influence the use of different style of language based on Janet Holmes 2013 theory in the Business Proposal movie. The second one, Lillian and Pranya 2022, who determine the most common language that are used and implication in teaching speaking in the Princess Switch movie. Next, Niza and Jurika 2021, who find the most dominant types of language style used by the character in the Ron Clark story movie. And the last one is Dewi, Ediwan, and Swastra 2020, who find the most dominant types of language style used in romantic movie based on Martin Jones 1966 theory. Next, we'll move to the full chapter 3, research method. First is research design. The researcher will use a qualitative descriptive method because this research will focus on describing and understanding language style used by character in a movie. The researcher will analyze the data in the form of words, sentence, and dialogue. Data and data source. The researcher will collect the data from the Carry On 2024 movie. It could be by watching the movie or read the script. The researcher will focus on spoken language between the characters to identify the various language styles. The third one is research instrument. The research instrument for this research is the researcher herself, and the researcher will use the movie and the subtitle on the movie as the supporting tools of this research. Number 4, data collection technique. The researcher will watch Carry On 2024 multiple times in order to fully understand the setting, characters, and dialogue as part of the data collection process. To better identify and comprehend the spoken dialogue, the researcher will not only watch the movie but also read the script and subtitles. The last one is data analysis. First one is data reduction. The researcher will watch the Carry On 2024 movie multiple times, select relevant dialogues, transcribe them, and categorize them based on Jones 1967 five language style: frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate. Next one is data display. Selected data will be organized in a table showing the character, scene or time, dialogue, language style, and a brief explanation. This helps make the analysis clearer and easier to compare. Drawing and verifying conclusion. The researcher will summarize the finding, verify the accuracy by rechecking all selected conversation, and explain the result in paragraph form. Okay, that's enough from my presentation, and thank you for the attention.